Alright, let's see. On the second day of video one, we learned a lot more than we did the first time, but it was still just as fun. We we reviewed the lighting from last class, which was, key lighting, fill lighting, backlighting. We talked about shot composition a little bit. We watched some more music videos. We watched, a Michael Jackson one. Of course, we watched Bruno Mars because we got to watch that every single class. Um, we started planning our individual group projects. Which could be really whatever we want as long as it was a 30-second spot. My group chose to do like a PSA, but other groups chose other things. So we started talking about that. We met with our group, started brainstorming ideas, and we have to work on storyboards for homework. We planned a trip to go to Granny's, which is, I guess, a restaurant. I never heard of it, in Owings Mills. We're going to make a little spot for that, which sounds pretty cool. We brainstormed like a little slogan. We came up with a script for that. So I guess we'll see what's going to come of that. What else do we do? Hold on, let me look. I wrote it down. Oh, we learned about the production process, how there's pre-production, then production, and post-production. The pre-production is when like all the script is written, you scout locations, kind of like what we're doing with Granny's. You assess all your equipment, you create the storyboard. Basically, you just get all the groundwork, the foundation in. And then production is like the actual making of it, where you film, you take photos, you create the marketing stuff. And then post-production, obviously, as it sounds, is after production. And then that's when you edit, make everything, like you get it down to the time you want, make sure you edit out any kinks or anything, and you get it like ready to go for the finished product. We learned a little bit about lighting, about how the cardinal rule or whatever he said was that you start with like the lights off, and then you turn them on, and because lighting establishes mood, and it enables the storyteller to speak to the audience, I guess. I don't remember exactly what he said with that, but I remember you have to start with the lights off and then turn them on. That's usually like how you start out videos in most cases. And then we just reviewed the kinds of shots and lighting and stuff. So, I guess a review of Dr. Chris. He's still pretty cool. Definitely enjoys his style. He's nuts. He's got so much energy. But the one thing that I didn't realize that we're actually learning a lot of stuff, and like I was having fun the entire class, and I actually retained a lot of the information, which is cool. So I'm definitely looking forward to doing the PSA with my little group, as well as the bigger group project at Granny's. It all sounds pretty fun. So I'm looking forward to class next week.